how to disconnect PSN account from Riot Games. Now, these steps or method that we'll be using right now is very quick and easy as long as you follow through. Now, launch your preferred web browser and head directly to riotgames.com. Once you're here, you just have to log in to your account. Once you logged in, at the right portion of your screen, hover your mouse to your current username and head directly to settings. Once you're on your settings, this will be your account management that will redirect you from settings. Now at the left portion of your screen, just head over to connected accounts, and this is where all the platforms that you're connected with to Riot Games. So as you can see, PSN or PlayStation is showing us as a plus icon because I haven't connected it yet. But if you have connected it already, it will be highlighted and showed into the connected accounts. Now it's going to be on a minus icon if you have already connected your PSN account. Just simply click on the minus icon and just follow along the on-screen prompts for you to successfully disconnect, unlink, or remove your PSN account from your Riot Games. So that is how you disconnect your PlayStation account or PSN account with your Riot Games.